Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change LCD for iPhone 7 Plus. First thing you have to do, you have to make sure you have all the correct tools. This one, okay, the start drive, and you have to get this one also. Important thing for lose the inside one. Okay, so you take out the two screws first at the back down here. These two screws here, you have to take them out. Take out these two screws. Then you open it from here. You just try to lift it up. Don't force it. Don't press it up. Everything. Just open it slowly. Right here. You be careful for the connector here. So you open it slowly like this, and you push it down a bit, and you open it from the side like this. Okay. Now you need to use the other screwdriver. You need to use this one to take out the screws inside. This inside screw, you need to take out the screws inside here. 4 screws here and 3 screws here. You remove those metal, you have to remove them, then you disconnect the cables. Okay, you disconnect the battery first. Make sure you disconnect the battery first before you disconnect the LCD, so that you don't short the board. You remove the front camera and the speaker upstairs. You remove the connector also. You disconnect it. You take out the LCD. Okay. Now you put this one side, because you need to remove the front camera and the speaker, transfer to the new LCD. So you have to remove all those metal. Okay. So you start with this one. You remove all this metal, this screw at the side. You have to remove all the screws, the side screws, so you can take out the metal and transfer to the new one. Okay. You remove the fingerprints. Fingerprints have 4 screws. You have to take them out. Don't mix them with this other screw. Disconnect the fingerprints. You have to be careful to disconnect the cable from the fingerprints. Okay. Then to open it back, you have to be careful. You don't spoil the fingerprints cable. You have to make sure you use the right tools. Don't force it. You raise it up slowly like this, so that you don't spoil the fingerprints. Okay. Then you open it from the side. You remove it from outside like this. You take it out from here. Okay. You put it aside. The speaker side have different screws, so you have to use this screwdriver for the speaker side. Different screw, not the same screw. iPhone have different type of screw. and the screws too is not the same. There are different screws, so when you open them, you have to put them different places so you can understand how you take it out. You put them like this, so that when you want to fix them back, it's not be difficult for you to fix. Take out this one, remove the speaker. You take out this cable. You have to be careful to take this one also out, because you have glue fixed on the screen, so you take your time to remove it so you don't spoil anything there. You remove the sensor and you be careful so you don't spoil it. Be careful when you take out all these things so you don't spoil anything. Okay, you take it out like this. Okay, you remove the rubber for the camera, the front camera, because you are going to use it on that one side also. Use that side. Okay, there's another screw down here to remove this metal. You have to take it out. iPhone have different screw every places. Make sure how you take out the screw. You have to know where you take out all the screw so you can fix it back the right places. Okay, you remove this one. You remove the pan. See, the LCD is inside. You just remove the pan inside the LCD like this. Okay, now you remove this LCD, you put one side, then you take the new LCD. Be careful, you take your time, you remove this glue, this sticker. Don't force to remove it so you don't spoil the cable and you spoil the new screen also. So you take your time slowly to do it. Okay, you remove this plastic. You take it out. Do it slowly, don't force so you don't spoil the cable for the new screen. Slowly. Okay, make sure this one is down here because you are going to fix the fingerprints on this small connector here. You take out this plastic. Okay, the first thing you have to fix, you fix this one first, this metal. Make sure the cable pass through here. Okay, still to have to pass through this metal, this hole. And make sure you fix it straight. You be careful when you fix, take your time, don't force anything so you don't spoil the screen. If you like, you can remove this glue here so it will be easier for you. No need, if you cannot fix this one, no need to fix it if you like, so you can see exactly what you are doing. Okay, make sure you fix this one and very be careful for this sensor side, because the IC is here for this screen. If you make sure if you spoil this side, the LCD will not work perfectly, will malfunction. So make sure you fix it perfectly and you don't do any mistakes. Okay, the IC is supposed to lie down like this. This is the control IC for the LCD. Okay, you fix this metal first. Put all the screw back, you take out. You put all the screw for this one. Make sure you put it right around all the stuff. You fix this metal, you have to fix the speaker up, and the camera, front camera, you fix it the way you remove it exactly. Don't forget this two side. Make sure the fix everything perfectly. You fix it back like this. Okay, make sure everything is fixed well. Okay, make sure the sensor is fixed perfectly. You fix the camera cover here. Okay, you fix the speaker, this one, you put it there. Make sure you fix the exact way, and you put the camera on top. You fix the speaker first before you pass the camera cable on top and put in the position. Okay, then you use this metal and you close it on top like this. Okay, then you put the screws back. You see, put the screws back exactly how you remove it. Make sure you, because all the screws is not the same, all the screws is different type of screws. Okay, make sure you fix everything back how you take it. Screw supposed to be down here, but I mistakenly put it upstairs, so I take it back and put it down again. So you put the cover back. Okay, make sure you put all the screw exactly where you take it, because the screws all are not the same, all different. Okay, that's why when I remove the screw I don't put them the same side, I put them in different position how I remove it, so that it will be easier for me to fix back where I remove it from. So you always have to learn how to do it like that. When you remove the screw, if it's 4 corner, you have to put it 4 corner, so that it will be easier for you to fix back, you know. Okay. This one back. Now it's time to fix the fingerprint. The fingerprint, you fix it from the back side. Okay, you have to remove this plastic like this. You take out the plastic. Okay, you start from this side, you put it from this side like this. Okay, put it from this side, from the back, from the front of the screen. Okay, you make sure you correspond it well, then you close the plastic again. Then make sure you fix perfectly, so that the fingerprint will work. Okay, this connector here, this one here is supposed to connect here. Make sure you connect it perfect. If not, that the if you don't fix it perfectly, this fingerprint will not work. So make sure you connect it well. After you finish connect it well, you make sure you put the cover on top and close it. This one you have to make sure you put anything you take out, you have to put them back, so that the phone will not malfunction and start giving some problem very early to the customer. You put the screw back. Make sure you put all the screw you take out. As for the fingerprint screws, they are all the same, so you can put it anywhere you want to put. The 4 screws all the same. Okay. Now it's time to fix the LCD on the new screen, on the phone. Sorry. You take out this warranty sticker, so that the LCD will rest properly. Now it's time to fix the LCD on the motherboard. Okay, you fix the first connector here. Make sure the first connector is inside the, when you fix the connector, make sure it's inside the position you want to fix it before you press it down. Don't press it down if you don't get the position. If you press it down, you don't get the position, you spoil the scheme, or you spoil the connector on the board. So make sure you get the position right before you press the connector down. Okay, like this. Don't fix the battery is the last one to fix. Then you fix this one up here also, the same thing. Make sure if you get the connector well, it's already positioned where you want it. Before you press down, don't force to press it down if you don't get the connector. Okay, you press it inside like this. Okay, then the battery is the last one you're supposed to fix. You fix the battery. So make sure you fix all those metal back. You need to fix them. If you don't fix them, if the phone fall down, the screen can disconnect or the battery disconnect. That's why it's very important to fix these things back you take out, so that when the phone fall down, nothing will disconnect. And make sure you put all the screw back where you take it. Then you fix this other metal up there for the speaker and the front camera. You close it also. All those things are very important. You have to fix them back. Make sure you fix everything perfectly. Okay. After you finish fixing, you close the screen, but you start from the top. Don't start from the back. You start from the top, you push it inside perfectly like this. You make the top rest before you rest the back. Okay, now you can test it. The battery is low. You find charger and make sure you put it on charge. Now it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.